Now I think I've got a problem with my door locks, and it relates to this, with this particular door lock. This striker here, this is just flapping about in the breeze. I think something's broken in there, so I don't think that catch is actually latching. If I look down at the bottom one, this has actually got a spring or something behind it. I think it latches if you push it up. Operate the handle, yeah, and it comes down. That one doesn't do anything, it just sits whichever position you've put it in, so I think something's broken in there. Thing is, I've got to get this cover off to have a look, see if I can see what we can do about it. So a couple of screws here and here, and I think this is held on with like a Velcro strip inside, so we'll have a look, see if we can do that. So tools you may need, it's optional, but it really helps if you've got one of these trim remover tools. I bought this one on Amazon, 8-pack fastener remover. There's probably one in there that helps you get the trim off, a pair of pliers and a screwdriver, electric preferable. I've got to be careful not to shut myself inside here at the same time. There we go. That's the handle. Handle. That comes off as well. Yeah, so I think I need some trim removal tools. Yeah. It's just sort of hanging on with a bit of Velcro. Yeah, there's actually a bit of sticky stuff in there as well. Yeah, I've used the Velcro, so you can see the Velcro holding it in place. Just got to lever it off a little bit. Yeah, this thing's just glued in place, so I'm going to have to stick that back, but off it comes. There we are. Okay, right, see there's something missing there, definitely. Okay, there's a spring gone, isn't there? The spring missing. Yeah. I wonder where that went. Well, I found the spring and it's actually broken. The spring just fell out of the cavity there, so the spring is actually broken there, and it should look like that. It should be a spring round that onto that. Should be the same up there, but the spring has snapped off, so it should hold it sort of in that position there. So I need one of them. Well, I've found you can actually, let me see that, if you can actually bend the spring back into shape. So I'm going to do that for now, because I've spent ages looking for this spring. I can't find it anywhere, so let's see if we can fix that. Well, I'll never get a job in a spring factory, but I managed to bend it back into some sort of shape. Got the camera mounted in the best position, but let's see if we can do this. Nearly. That's it. That's the spring back in position now. Let's just try shutting it. That's it. Simple as that. I'll put the handle back on temporarily so I can just double check it. That's it, properly latched. I was seeing daylight in there as well. So there's the serial number. I might see if I can get a spare spare spring, if I can say it. Right, let's put everything back. Right, putting it back is just a case of getting these things latched over. Just pushing those through there and there, and then this should just push back into place. That's it. Nice and easy. A little bit up there, I think. I think I might need to glue that back in place, but see if it stays. It stays for now. Door shuts with a much more satisfying clunk now. That's it. That's it for this video. A big shout out to Swift Escape. I'll put their channel down below. That's where I found out you could actually bend the spring. I spent about an hour trying to find the spring. I went on all the sites and everything. So if anyone knows where I can get one of those springs, let us know, and I will replace the spring. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye then.